Hello, I am Mr. Spinner, and today you are going to see the largest collection of spinners in the world.
No, not buying it.
This is the largest collection of spinners anywhere in the United States.
No.
In California, no one has more spinners than I do in this wonderful collection.
I don't believe it.
I checked with the neighbors, and on this block, there is no one that has more spinners. But I'd like to give you some background. These spinners are from all over the world. For example, this spinner is from Eastern China. This spinner is from Western China. This spinner came from China Camp Restaurant in Northern China. And finally, from Southern China, we have this spinner. In the collection, you'll find other spinners from other places in the world, such as Northwest China, Northeast China, Central China, Southeast China, and Southwest China. If you enjoyed the show that you're going to see with all the spinners, please feel free to write me at, what was that, assistant? Thank you. This is my assistant, my spinner assistant, and his name is Jackson Spinner. So I hope you enjoy this. If you want to write me, you have to write to the Mr.Spinner at gmail.com. If you are a millennial living at home, please ask your parents how to spell the word Mr. So with that, I'd like to go ahead and begin showing you the collection of spinners. People ask me all the time, with over 100 spinners, do you have a favorite that you like the best? And the answer is yes, I do. However, if you ask me which one it is, unfortunately, I don't remember. So I can't help you there. But they're all fun to play with. I spend hours, sometimes daily, playing with my spinners. I no longer watch television. I don't eat. I don't sleep. I do nothing but spin all day long. And then my assistant comes over and helps me because it's hard to spin my hat along with my spinners. The one I'm using right now is a T35 high-speed spinner. This one is manufactured in Germany and shipped to China, Central China. And this one will spin for as long as an hour if I continually hit the spinner. In this trick, I take the spinner and I turn it around my back, and when it comes out, it stops. I'll do that one again.
Okay.
It's spinning, and now watch what happens. As I bring it around my back, it stopped. This took quite a while to learn how to do. There's the forehead spin. I discovered this in Africa while searching for a specific spinner in Nigeria right after I won $100 million from an email scam. Hey, this one's pretty good, actually. This is my most expensive spinner. This one cost me $9. That's right. And I thought it was pure gold when I ordered it. And they sent it in a refrigerated box, and it was pure cold. I didn't have my reading glasses on when I ordered it. I love my Batman spinners. They're colorful, they're bright. Really something, isn't it? This spinner has 9 color positions and is one of my 100 favorite spinners. And then my sheriff spinner is also extremely fun. because I work part-time for the police department, arresting spinner thieves that shoplift from Toys R Us. This one is my gear spinner. This was very unusual. I saw an article about this spinner in Popular Mechanics, that people use this to tune up the engine on their car, so I ordered it immediately. I tried to tune up the engine, but I couldn't get it in, so I gave up and put it into my collection. I also love my dolphin spinner. This came from Miami, out of northeastern China, but it has dolphins that spin around. I tried it in the aquarium, but it took me 2 days to get the water out of it before it became moldy. And I had to also take it out of a fish mouth. These are very heavy spinners. I carry this one around town with a hand cart. It's very colorful. Finally, the pretty blue spinner. I dream about this one at night. I go spinning with this one in the evening. Oh my gosh. Look at that puppy go. Thank you very much for watching both Mr. Spinner and Mr. Spinner's assistant, Jackson Spinner. You didn't fling my wiener.
Oh God.
I hire you for one friggin' job.
Oh my God, you're fired, man.
I forgot.
Jump in.
Oh, wait, my bad. How does it spin well? See? Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm gonna fire you. Do your job, man. And finally, this is my martial arts weapon spinner. This can be thrown at someone 100 feet away and stick it into their forehead. However, both people didn't like it, so I had to stop using it. So the people didn't like it, so I stopped using this one. Okay, that's it. Please stop. I'm running out of funny.